Flip Dover, probably the stupidest name in the Pixar Cars universe that isn't car related. Well, I don't think it is. Well, actually, saying that, but a car can flip over, which is his name, flipped over. I don't know, it kind of makes sense. Like my car flipped over. That could have two meanings. That could be talking about my car flipped over, as in this flipped over, or my car flipped over, as in it's flipped over, like on its side, or even upside down, which wouldn't be very good, as you probably imagine. Still, I mean, if we forget his name, then it's an interesting car. Interesting. Intersection, he's a Cars Free only sponsor, so as well, doesn't appear in Cars 1. It's actually a dating site, oddly enough. So it's probably the equivalent of, I don't know, like Tinder or something. Or it's just something like that, where you look at different people's profiles and you try and find the best one for you and organise a date and so on and so forth. And all that kind of stuff, which aren't really aren't really that relevant to this video. We're here to talk about flipped over, as in this car right here flipped over, not anything else, like Filpdover, flipped over. That's how you spell his name, if you're wondering, if you couldn't already see in the title. Still, shall we have a closer look at him? Let's do it. So he's it's an intersection. Well, that's the logo for intersection. There's a heart there, and it symbolises love. I should imagine. Oh, and there's two cars either side of it to symbolise like a man or a woman. Well, stereotypically it would be, but sometimes maybe a man or a woman. But I don't know. But yeah, it's probably two cars. Like he who are intending to connect with one another over this dating site. His expression looks fairly worried for some reason. I don't know why, but he's got a bit of a mustache as well, like Clark Gable. Most of you kids probably don't even know who he is, to be honest. Still has a 00, which kind of looks like the infinity sign, because yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, why his number is 00? I don't know. I don't know. See on the side, there's a bunch of like random white lines which go in random directions. Don't ask why. Even I don't know. Yeah, and all the usual features of a next gen racer, all the tires, and so I don't need to go over that. Here is a fairly, well, not the most intricate design, but one that I really like. If you know what I mean. I think flipped over. Excuse me. Yes, I know that name's funny, but honestly, in terms of design, he has got to be one of my favourite next gens ever. Well, have a great day, folks.